Welcome to Harry's Geriatric Nursing Insights.
Hello again, it's Harry here, your geriatric nurse from Toronto, Canada. Back from my humble contribution for the care for the older adults and their caregivers. Tonight, I just wanted to discuss something about a TED Talk that I've heard just now. This is something about talking to your deathbed self. And it's very interesting. It's by Laura Dealey, and she is a financial advisor, surprisingly. But maybe I shouldn't be surprised because it means that she has exhumed and transcended to this kind of person from what she does. And she had made this realization that talking to your deathbed self can make a big difference, especially if you're making big life choices. I think that's very important, especially in the job that I do. There has been a lot of times when I've been, I should say, close to death. Not myself, but death is imminent for someone, for example, that I'm taking care of. And I've seen a lot of scenarios play out when it comes to end of life, and that is a privilege and an honor. This is part of the reason why I always say taking care of the older adult is an opportunity. It's a privilege, because then hopefully, while you do take care of them, you get to learn more than just from your profession. You learn personally as well. Going back to the TED Talk, she was saying that if you were making a decision, it's helpful to ask your future self, or in her case, the deathbed self, if the deathbed self will be happy if this decision was made. And she said that she had this guiding her life, and it's brought her to good decisions more often than not. I hope I mentioned before in one of my videos that a happy death is one of the best gifts that one can have in this life. It's not always possible. Definitely, we don't know how we're gonna go, but when somebody has a happy death, I mean, when I say that, it means that they are surrounded by their loved ones. They knew what was going on. They were deciding for themselves up to the end. They had interventions in place when the actual dying was already there. But more importantly, they were whole. They were there. They were whole. They were deciding for themselves, and they felt whole. They were thankful. Their heart was full of gratitude. And there were also times when not all the loved ones, or maybe no one was there, but you could still feel fulfilled. You can still feel that gratitude. So I guess first and foremost, important is your outlook in life, and connecting to your future self, I guess, is one way of being able to achieve that. So I hope that you as a caregiver, you as the older adult, are able to feel that gratitude when that time comes, and that you'll be surrounded by your loved ones. You'll feel fulfilled with the life that you lived, and also, Desiderata will say, whether you believe it or not, whether you realize it or not, I hope that you'll be at peace with the higher power.